Hey everyone, it's Justin here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. We are the nation's largest premium pre-owned dealership, so you gotta come check us out. That being said, we also carry some very nice top-end, top-line products from Winnebago, Coachman, some bunch of other ones. This one behind me is the 2019 Winnebago Sunstar LX. It's going to be one of our absolutely gorgeous Class A lines with all the perks that Winnebago has to offer. So I'm going to point out a few things on the outside and the inside. Stick around and then give me a call at the end. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions. So this is going to be a 30T model. This is going to be your Class A gas Winnebago, 30 feet long. It does sit on the Ford V10 Triton engine, so plenty of power, being able to get over those mountain passes and tow. You'll notice nice one-piece windshield up front there, super easy access to your engine compartment there, and really nice, beautiful, sleek look. But follow me around to this side, point out a couple nice features. Number one, you're going to have these side mirrors. They are completely powered and heated. Right below that, you do have a blind spot camera. So you hit the blinker, it's going to actually point you straight down the side. You'll be able to switch lanes safely. Nice little window here as well to be able to view if you've got a little car to the right of you. Up above, well, first you'll notice this slide mechanism here. It does come with a slide topper that'll keep you free of moisture and debris. Above that, you have a full-length powered awning. So with the touch of a button, that's going to go in and out for when you're out camping. Below here, in this first compartment, you got a nice big storage area. Actually, I think the one behind is also storage, and these actually combine so you can fit some of your longer items if you're going to be taking, say fishing poles or skis out camping with you. Nice doors there. This particular unit is full body paint, so you don't have to deal with any of the decals. This is going to last quite a while. Swing back this way. We do have our automatic powered steps. Those will open in and out as the door opens and closes. Really nice safety handle here, which does come with its own LED lights for using it at night. Behind this one, I don't really have to open it, but you do have a CD player with speakers there. This is going to be access to the back of your refrigerator. Scooting on back this way, we do have another storage area. Kind of the theme with these nice Class A's, you got all this underbelly available for storage. And then one more compartment here in the back, storage as well. So again, all the storage area you're gonna need. Swinging back here, we do have a few different things to point out. First off, we've got our backup camera there. Basically, you're able to see all around this unit, just using your backup cameras, blinkers, and then obviously your windshield. You have a floor-to-ceiling ladder to be able to get up and check your seals on your roof. You are all set up for 5,000 pounds of towing on this particular unit with your 7-pin wiring there. Something else I should mention, I know we're not going to be able to get on the roof and see, but this is a one-piece fiberglass roof, so less worry as far as repair, that sort of thing. Definitely a nice feature. Cut your exhaust to your generator there as well. We'll get to that compartment next. Here you're going to have the Cummins Onan 5500 gas generator, so that's going to be connected right to your fuel tank. It's going to give you a lot longer if you're out there dry camping. You do notice down the side here we've got two more slide outs that really is going to open up the interior. We'll take a look at that when we get to the inside. Nice storage there. That's going to be actually above the underbelly, so that's going to be underneath inside the coach. Have a little bit of climate control with that particular storage space. I'm going to open this up, and this is going to be our utility center. You got your nice long shore power cord there. Here we have our water filtration system, our hot and cold outdoor shower. We've got a fresh water valve to basically open from filling to normal usage. We've got a fresh water inlet here. Just basically hook up your hose. Got a water pump and cable inlet, as well as a portable satellite dish should you want to bring that along with you for the camping trip. Couple more compartments here. Here's going to be your black and gray flushes here. You're basically just going to hook up your hose. This guy's going to spin. Hose goes straight down and out, so you can keep this door closed while you are fully hooked up, but very easy to be able to just dump both the gray and black tanks. You also have this nice feature, which is going to be your Santa flush. It's a black tank flush, gets all the debris out of your black tank, makes it very simple to keep it clean. A couple more compartments here, guys. This is going to be another giant storage area. And then last but not least, the unlocked compartment is always going to be your propane fill. That's so should you jump on a ferry, the attendants can walk by, basically turn that off with ease so you're safe traveling down the road. So join me on the inside. There's quite a bit more to go over. Wow, welcome. We are on the inside of the 2019 Winnebago Sunstar. This is the LX, so it is a step above just your basic Sunstar. I'm standing up here in this absolutely gorgeous captain's area. Got 2 seats here, come equipped with ultra leather. These things are super comfortable. You're definitely going to want to get out here, sit down on one of these, feel the comfort of driving one of these nice Class A's. As I mentioned earlier, we are sitting on the Ford chassis. That's the V10 Triton. Again, tons of power. We do have that 5,000 pounds towing capability, but the ride in this thing is absolutely smooth. Just a couple things I want to point out up front. As I mentioned, outside you have your mirrors that are completely powered. They are heated. This is an important one here. You have an auto leveling system. Touch of a button, boom, all your jacks go down and you are up and ready to camp, basically completely level. Something really nice that Winnebago has to offer, this giant screen here. That's going to be for your cameras, for the backup camera, as well as your side view cameras, stereo, all that good stuff. And then of course you have your basics, air conditioner, heat, that sort of thing. Passenger also gets to ride in comfort. You got your own heat controls here, as well as this nice little area. You do have connections, be able to plug in a laptop or, you know, USB ports there. But yeah, this comes out, acts as a nice little desk area. These chairs do swivel around, make for a nice little conversation area in the middle of the coach here. Swing on back here. Storage, storage, storage. As I mentioned, outdoor, there is tons of storage. This is a nice ultra leather couch, comes equipped with seat belts, and it does fold down into a jackknife sofa. Now, before we swing too far to the back, I'm going to point out something overhead here. This is an optional drop-down bunk. You do see the 2 connections there for where your ladder connects. This will drop all the way down to here and provide sleeping for 2 additional people. So definitely a nice feature to have. Off to this side, we've got our table and chairs. This does scooch out a little bit further there. One of my favorite features, and definitely one of my kids' favorite features. You've got this TV, absolutely powered. That's going to go all the way down. Flush mount cover, gives you a little more table space when you're not using the TV area. So that just folds down like that. Nice daylight, obviously. Into the kitchen area, we do have our convection microwave oven. You'll be able to do all of your baking in there. We have our 3-burner propane gas stovetop there, and then a ton of additional storage. Really nice deep shelving units there. Solid surface countertop, and we do have our covers here to our double stainless steel basin sink, as well as stainless steel gooseneck faucet head. And then again, just more and more storage, little spice rack. Up behind here, tons of outlets to be able to plug in any of your kitchen goods. Counter does come with a little extension as well for extra prep space. Coming on this way, we do have our fridge and freezer combo. This is a Norcold, so pretty much the standard in RVs. Behind that, a little additional storage. This is going to be actually for your bathroom if you'd like, but I mean, you could really store anything, but nice and deep. Let me just kind of show you. I'm touching the back now, so it's the entire length of my arm back, so tons of storage. On my left, your right, we have all of our controls here, from your water heater to your slide mechanisms in and out. You can start your generator from here, check all your levels, turn on your water pump. You do have your inverter here, as well as your residential thermostat. Oh, I'm sorry, here is your inverter. This is just your battery service there, and a couple other switches there. Moving on back this way, we have our gorgeous shower here. I'm 6 feet tall. Just want to show you the headroom here. Tons of space to be able to shower up. And across the hall, This is one of my favorite features that they started doing. So we do have a raised toilet here. Definitely helps for the knees. Tons and tons of counter space in the bathroom. You've got tons of storage, medicine cabinet there, little additional storage for all of your bathroom goods. And then we will swing back into the bedroom area. Nice queen size walk around. This is in a slide unit. You have access from all the way around the bed. You do have these nice little side shelves there to be able to set things on, as well as both sides have their own 110 outlets. Nice windows, nice light there. And then tons of storage for your wardrobes. This is actually where your tables are stored. This is the leaf for your dining table, and then this table is one that can actually go between the two front seats. So those won't always be stored in here. You can store them essentially wherever you'd like. But got another flat screen TV here, insignia for the bedroom area. Something I'll mention, you do have this nice accordion door too, to be able to give yourself some privacy in this back bedroom. So I know you're going to have a ton more questions, so definitely come out, ask for me, Justin, and I'd love to show you some more of this gorgeous unit. Our number here is 253-286-0833. We'll talk to you soon.